Hi, welcome to the 2025 Wolf Pack 290PACK13. This is a fifth wheel toy hauler. Now let's take a look at this.
I'm going on another amazing adventure. Let's go on another amazing adventure. If you're here with me, I got all I need for another amazing adventure.
So you do have docking lights that you can turn on that will kind of wrap around the outside. It's kind of odd to have that switch underneath here, but it's convenient as well. So this actually goes, looks like it goes under the bed, or it's that same space. You can access it from here or from over on that side or this side. So it is a full pass-through with a extra access point. So I guess you could call it a T pass-through. And then down here is your toolbox area. Or it's got a hole in there, so I'm guessing it'd probably be for battery as well, if you wanted. Oh, here's your electrical and your battery right here. So this is just more storage here. You got your electrical plus the kill switch right here. Here's your general pass-through right here, which it does come out the other side and it comes up to the front, so you've got multiple points of entry. Propane tank here, got one on the other side. I like where this leash latch is because normally those go on the back of your rig, and then when the dog takes off it kind of yanks on it, so this is a lot better balanced. Solid stairs for this side and the safety rail. And then you got your one awning here with your overhead light. And your second awning here with the sliding door. And you may have noticed, that was locked. There is a panel here and one on the other side that goes directly inside. So that if you're going to use it as a toy hauler, that's where you'd be able to run the gas pump in. And then your porch right here, which just closes up, and you can close that up like a regular toy hauler.
Perfect if you have pups or little kids.
So this is what I was talking about. This is an access panel where if you wanted to use it for your toys, you could.
And it is prepped for a ladder. There's where your ladder would go on the side. It also has the backup camera there.
Power hookup, another cable hookup, tankless water heater, on demand, freshwater, city water, black tank flush. So here's one black tank. So there is one release on this. There's not two. There are two tanks, two black and two gray, but they all drain through here. Now you do have, this is a spray port. So you can hook water up to this and use this as a spray hose. You can get a quick connect hose on that. And then for winterizing, you do have an easy access panel right here. And another propane.
All 4 days.
When you walk in, you've got your living area room and your kitchen, as most toy haulers are going to have a more compact living room because they want the room for the toys part. So in this room, you will also have this pops up, and we'll show you the other side later, but this could be your breakfast nook, this could be your table, this could be your desk.
And there's some storage underneath it too.
Yeah, plenty of storage under there too. You have your TV and your fireplace. You may be saying, well, this rig is lacking a pantry. Nuh-uh. Check this out. Hooks to hang dog leashes, coats, hoodies, whatever. And plenty of pantry storage. You got your fridge. You have plenty of cabinet space, your kitchen or farm style kitchen sink.
You don't have a hood over the stove. So you got the combination microwave convection oven and then a 3 burner stove with a ventilation fan above it, and you have your remote for that so you don't have to get on a stool or climb a ladder to get up there, turn it on or off.
Plenty of room under there. You got some drawers.
Here's your control panel. You've got 2 black tanks, 2 gray tanks, front awning, rear awning. So you got an awning over here and an awning on this side of the slide. 2 slides together. You got your water pump, water heater. Lights are on a switch. So yeah, pretty straightforward. Just your general control panel, nothing out of the ordinary. Your Furrion thermostat for the ducted AC.
You have your shower. You have a porcelain toilet. I can do my chicken dance. You got plenty of cabinet space here. And here we have the bedroom with plenty of storage underneath, with 2 benches that you could sit to put your shoes on, with plenty of storage under.
What's nice is this isn't a boxed in area. You lift the bed up and you got plenty of space to put even some longer items that may not fit in the outside storage, or if you just have a bunch of shoes.
Wonderful cross breeze ventilation with 2 windows on both sides. You have some hanging storage space here, as well as a drawer down here.
Outlets.
Outlets.
Charging ports.
Yep. Over here, more hanging storage, because everybody knows this would not be enough for me. Kyle, go in there. This is mine.
And there is a washer and dryer hookup under there as well.
Under here. So I'm assuming this could be removed and put your combo washer dryer.
You also got plenty of overhead storage. These swing out this way, so you could put some of your I don't even know what I would put in there. You could put stuff in there. Now, one thing that's a little awkward, but I understand why they did it. There's one hanging closet on this side and a nightstand on this side. I probably would have preferred one or the other. If you're going to do the closet, put the closet on both sides. If you're going to do a nightstand on both sides. Especially since that has charger ports over there, and there's really no place to put if you're going to have your phone or something like that. But you do have it on this side, so I'm guessing this will be to your side of the bed. Since you need the nightstand at night. All right, let's go see the garage.
Now, I like this. Most of the time there's just a curtain up here, which if you have a child, which I'll show you here in a second, you can close that. So if you want to stay up later and somebody's sleeping up here, I can't reach it though. You might be able to. But as you see in this side, this is a toy hauler. There's not a drop-down bed, but there is a loft up here.
Here's what the loft looks like. You could probably fit 2 smaller children up here or 1 big one. But like she said, here's the door that you could pull all the way across. I'm not going to reach for it because I don't feel like climbing all the way up here, but you can close off to the main living area, or you can open it up and easily get to it.
I do like the detail too up there. That's pretty cool. Now, for a toy hauler, there is a lot of light and ventilation. So you have 2 sliding doors here. One to get to your campsite, and one to get to your outdoor porch.
And this does give you the option of
Ooh, screen doors.
screen or solid. And even inside, on the opposite end of the doors, you got two really big, really wide windows that you can open up. So there is going to be plenty of ventilation. And if you look closely up here in the Wolf Pack design, there are 2 speakers there and 2 speakers on this side. So you could sit here. This is me sitting on my invisible couch, staring at my favorite movies right here over your head.
Your man cave.
It wouldn't be my man cave, it'd be brat cave.
After, you know, we're at that weird stage in life where we have older kids who don't always come with us, but sometimes they do. We're also very shortly in the future going to be empty nesters. So we're in that weird phase where we're trying to find the perfect rig that will accommodate both areas of that, both periods of that life.
And adapt.
And adapt. Also, like I was saying before with the table, you're saying this doesn't have a kitchen table. Watch this. You have your serving bar up here, and then each side has their table. So have a seat, Kyle. Here's our kitchen table. So you might be saying, well, we need 2 desks. Take a look at this. There's your desk. I've got mine.
So there really is a pretty decent separation for being a toy hauler. You can make that a separate room that's mostly quiet.
Yeah.
You can close the door there and they've got their own separation. That was our look at the 2025 Cherokee Wolf Pack 290 Pack 13, a new model for the 2025 year. What did you think of it? Do you like the layout? Is this something you could see yourself or your family traveling in? Let us know in the comments below. If you'd like to see more RV tours like this one, click on this playlist right here. If you'd like to see some of the places we've traveled to, click on that playlist over there. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel by hitting our logo right here.
I need another amazing adventure.